Hey, so I was asked today about a customer, my brakes are making noise. What is that about? That's a good question. So brake noise could be caused by several things, weather included. Sometimes brake noise is just insignificant. Brakes get rusty because there's moisture in the air, or sometimes the brake pads are just worn to the metal. Now, what does that mean? I have a sample of what a brake pad looks like. So this brake pad right here, this top material, is supposed to wear out as you use your brakes. But once it gets to this metal part, then we start destroying rotors. Any brake noise should be investigated as quick as possible. If it's nothing, then we'll just tell you it's nothing, no big deal. But if it needs brakes, it's important to take care of that as soon as possible. So if you're experiencing brake noise, give us a call. Just mention that you saw this in this video and we'll take care of you.